Russian gas and just the gas situation more broadly, because we continue to see other impacts, potentially this strike in Norway and what that's going to do in terms of pricing. We know Nord Stream's coming offline for at least 2 weeks at the back half of this month. So what's going to be happening with the Euro gas prices and the North Asian gas prices, do you think, over the next couple of months, considering all of these disruptions?
Sure. I think the natural gas markets, which have sort of come off their highs a bit, they're still much higher than in some past times. I think as we get more towards the fall and these periods of time when we'd be expecting to fill storage, they're going to come under more pressure. We had through much of this year Asian buyers holding off, buying less, either because of lockdowns in China or just higher prices across Asia. That meant that some Asian buyers were willing to let Europe take this more expensive natural gas, at least on the spot market and the like, for LNG and so on. I think as we look into this trajectory where Russia is cutting back, is willing to forego their supplies, as we look ahead and say that Asian companies need to start filling their storage capacities, and so will European ones, I think we will start to see prices rise there. That might be countered to some extent by the fact that there will be demand destruction. Again, painful demand destruction for industry this time instead of consumers. This is something that Germans in particular are trying to grapple with, since so much of their industry really leveraged the fact, or parts of it did leverage the fact, of cheaper feedstock. So this is going to be something where I think we may not retest the highs immediately, but I think this is a market that's under stress, particularly since while there is more natural gas that's going to come on the market, a lot of it is really a 2025, 26 story. We're seeing new contracts signed with American producers, Qatari producers, and the like, but a lot of this is a multi-year story. And that in turn, I think, brings us into questions about how you meet the different goals of energy security, those more relating to climate-related energy security, and the other question of how do you keep people cool and keep people warm in the relevant times of year.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.